Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well. So today I just decided to do another quick update on my portfolio. But before I go through that, I just want to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helped me. So let's do this. So last week I did tell you guys that I wasn't gonna do any changes to my portfolio or add anything or sell anything, but I did decide to do a few changes. I decided to add about two two 2,000 pounds to my portfolio. As you can see, the steep change here, this is where I added the money. um and I decided to invest in three new companies, and I'm gonna go through that with you guys. So as you can see, I still have one share at AMD with a return of 10.27. Next one is Google with a 0.33 shares with a return of 11.67. Amazon was doing very well this week, but then last week, beginning of last week, but then last week was a really difficult week. Anyone that trades will understand that last week was a little bit of a problem. I wish I could tell you why that was, but I'm not really sure why. So next one is Apple. One share Apple, 28 pounds and 67 p's. And this was my biggest headache last week. I decided to add this position at the worst time possible. Literally, you guys can see here at the peak, right after I bought it, it just went down and it keeps going down. I'm down 70 pounds and 38 p's, and this has really frustrated me. I've considered selling this position, buying shares somewhere else just to recover the 70 pounds and just sell it and then buy it somewhere else. I'll see how that's gonna go, but this position has really frustrated me. So I have 13.3 shares at Moderna. Moderna is a company that has been working with the National Institute of Health in the United States to find a cure for the virus, but they're actually in the lead to find the cure. But I don't know why their stock just went downhill from right after I bought it. Apparently they're in the lead, but I don't understand what's happening. But anyway, next one is Royal Caribbean. I have three shares of Royal Caribbean with a return of 33.56. 1.2 shares of Square, return of 6.32. Teladoc is a company that is also working in the technology sector, I'm sure. Let me just have a look. Yeah, virtual healthcare, as you can see here. They have the stock has been doing very well. I decided to buy 5.7 shares. Currently seeing a return of 31.22 pounds, and I have an average price of 186.82. They're currently selling for they're currently going on for 194. Next one is Tesla. I have 1.5 shares of Tesla. Currently seeing a very nice return of 399, almost 400 pounds. 1.5 shares with an average price of 139. They're currently selling for 798 at the moment. My next position was Zoom. Also a bad start. Right after I bought it, I thought I was doing well because it went up, as you can see here, and then just suddenly, this is literally last week, and it just went downhill from there, and it keeps going down. This is mainly because Facebook decided to announce that they're gonna release a video conference type of app as well, sort of to match the competition of Zoom. And right after the news here, it just went downhill. This is where Facebook released their news, and I don't know how it's gonna happen because Zoom has been facing a lot of problems regarding to security of the users. So maybe that's why I'm seeing a negative here. I think I'll just wait for it to go to zero and then probably sell it. Not sure, I'll see. Tell me what you guys think. So yeah, guys, this is my portfolio update. Currently having a return of 471, and let's see how this week is gonna go. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and have a good day.